I heard the news that the Governor Nyeri has resigned from his position as chairman of the Council of Governors. But we must continue to emphasize that his utterances were inexcusable, they were hateful, and they were outrageous. Indeed, Article 33, Sub-Article 2 of the Constitution talks about hate speech of the kind that Governor Kahiga was uttering in his speech, and is a gross violation of the Constitution, those utterances. Article 73 of the Constitution also requires that those in public office, particularly state officers, should act in a manner that brings honor to their offices and that brings integrity to their offices. So this, in essence, were constitutional violations, and a mere apology may not be enough. The Council of Governors has acted promptly, but in my view, a mere resignation from the post of chairman, vice chairman of the Council of Governors is insufficient to atone his sins. We want to build one nation, indivisible nation, one country, a nation called Kenya. And if leaders continue to spew this hatred, it is going to be very difficult to keep the nation called Kenya together. But I know that Kenyans are not going to entertain this kind of talk. And I hope that this will not be the end of the matter. Far serious steps must still be taken.
I also want to condemn the unfortunate utterances by our colleague from Nyeri. Although he has done the honorable thing of stepping down, of course, as a council, we had already taken a step. As leaders who are elected and represent people, let us use our positions responsibly. Let us measure what we say, because it can cause unnecessary tension and unnecessary conflict in the country. We want a united country. So when people talk, in fact, it's un-African to talk about somebody who has died. It's un-African. It's not within our African culture to talk about somebody who has died. So that we condemn it. It's unfortunate.
The nation is lonely, and what we are left with is to do exactly what Baba used to do, to exercise our rights, to speak, to demonstrate within the limitations of the law. Baba never wanted lawlessness. Baba never wanted people to operate outside the law. He was ready to sacrifice as much as humanly possible to ensure that you exercise your rights within the law. He believed in change based on the ballot. He believed in a change based on the rule of law. So as Migori County, we are saying sorry to Kenyans and to Baba's family here, but we want to say we will stay focused in what Baba stated.